Hi guys! Nagulo ko po kasi eto, yung mga beads na to, yung panggawa ng mga bracelet. So, ginagawa namin ni nanay. Say hi nanay!
Hi! Ayan, pinaghihiwa-hiwalay namin, pinagsasama-sama namin yung mga magkakakulay, yung mga emojis.
Yeah. Ano na namin to? Ito na.
Kaya namin to.
Baka hanggang bukas pa kami dito.
Para kami naghihiwalay ng kape na 3-in-1. Hinihiwalay namin ng sugar, creamer, at ang coffee. So, we think we're gonna do this. Aja, fighting!
So, hanggang bukas pa kami matatapos nito.
I-focus mo muna yan.
Kasi,
I-focus mo muna yan. Yan. So, at least, can you see? We have mixed it. So, we need to segregate from one color to another. Like green, white, blue, gold, silver, and the emojis,
hearts.
the numbers, the letters, the hearts. So, yan.
So,
Pagtsatsagaan namin yung dalawa ito ni Flex. Sabi ko sa kanya, kailangan mapaghiwa-hiwalay niya para pag gumagawa na siya ng accessories and bracelets, mabadadalian siya. So, mahirap, pero, ayun, kailangan pagtsagaan.
yes, sabi ni nanay yun kanina. Sige. Tapos muna namin to. Tapos,
Few moments later. Ayan.
sige.
Pause na.
Hi guys, eto na ang naging konti na lang siya. So, madami pa po yung maliliit. Diba, Nay? Yan. Yeah. No, now.
Before you know, you thought it was possible to get out of high school. You probably don't remember this, but the summer after you graduated from college, I was maybe 10, and you came home for a visit, and the only thing you could talk about was moving to D.C. to work in the mailroom with some senator that nobody's ever heard of. I'm not perfect that you told me that it didn't matter the reason for nothing. No, shut up. You were gonna prove things. You can do it.
Sino yan? Babae yan.
Yan guys, kumukunti na lang siya. So guys, wait lang. Titigil muna natin to. Wait for part 2 na lang. Bye guys. Bye-bye na yun.
Bye.
Konti na lang siya. Wait for part 2 na lang. Bye-bye.